Hello all, welcome to Know Your Medicine, an initiative by Lybrate, your personalized health companion. In this video, we are going to discuss about Levocet M Tablet. We will be discussing elements like why it is used, to whom it is prescribed, its consumption and various side effects. Before starting with the theory, let me tell you a brief about this tablet. Levocet M Tablet is an antihistamine that is used for treating allergic symptoms like itching, watery eyes, sneezing, running nose, asthma, symptoms of allergic conditions, dust or pet allergies, inflammation in nose due to allergy, reddish itchy wheals or hay fever. It also effectively treats swelling or itching caused due to hives. A chemical known as histamine is responsible for causing allergic symptoms in the body. As it is an antihistamine, Levocet M Tablet decreases or blocks this chemical in the body. It specifically acts on allergies caused in the stomach and intestine, rhinitis, urticaria, asthma and inflammations. Some of the common side effects of this medication includes vomiting, dizziness, headache and fatigue. This medication has to be taken orally and it is available in both tablet and solution form. You can take this medication with or without food as prescribed by your doctor. Warning: please do not take this medication without consulting your physician.